Hello everyone and welcome to the Alignment Center's Learning Center. Everything you need to know, nothing you don't. The Learning Center is where you learn to manage, monitor, and measure your lifestyle habits. In this video, we're talking about the metabolic assessment form as it relates to digestion. Now, if you're watching this video, you know how to fill it out and you know how to score it. Now, if you don't, just shift over to the Cleanse tab. You can review the example provided there. Here, we're going over the digestive categories and how to supplement properly according to your results. Now, the digestive categories for the metabolic assessment form are categories 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If this is one of your categories of concern, listen up, we'll tell you what it means. Let's go in order of digestion, starting with the stomach and working our way south. After the stomach, we'll pass by gallbladder, then pancreas, then small intestine, and then finally large intestine. Now, the first supplement we're going to talk about is for high scores in categories 4 and 5. These are symptoms related to the stomach. Specifically, low stomach acid for category 4, and category 5 is high stomach acid, which could be a result of stress, an infection, or secondary to low stomach acid. High stomach acid as a result of low stomach acid, what does that mean? Well, many agree that low stomach acid leads to incomplete digestion, leaving carbohydrates to ferment, proteins to putrefy, and fats to become rancid. This combination creates its own harsh acid, which you could be feeling the symptoms of. So high stomach acid coming from foods, secondary to low stomach acid from the stomach not breaking foods down properly. And that supplement for categories 4 and 5 is called betaine HCl. HCl stands for hydrochloric acid. Yes, this is a hydrochloric acid supplement, so don't chew it, you'll lose the enamel on your teeth. Start out very gradually, trying one with each meal. Many find excellent results combining this with digestive enzymes, taking the enzymes a few minutes before the meal and HCl pepsin a few minutes after the meal. Now, like always, if you experience a worsening of symptoms, discontinue immediately. Understanding your symptoms may need a completely different approach. The next supplement is for high scores in category 7. These are symptoms related to gallbladder, more specifically bile support. And that supplement is Digestion GB. The supplement is a source of bile salts, the one ingredient often needed to create better balance between bile salts and cholesterol. See, bile breaks down fats, and many of the symptoms in category 7 are from not breaking down fats properly. The hard to handle greasy foods, bitter taste in the mouth, skin symptoms. The next supplement is for high scores in category 6. These are symptoms related to the pancreas, specifically digestive enzymes. And that support is a supplement called Digestive Enzymes Ultra. This supplement is a combination of enzymes directed at all 3 macronutrients: proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. This can be used as a standalone supplement, but is usually used in combination with HCl pepsin or a good probiotic. The next supplement is for high scores in category 2. These are symptoms related to the small intestine, specifically related to intestinal permeability, and that support is our foundational supplement, GI Pro. Now, GI Pro is indicated for symptoms in all digestive categories, and it's a great source of L-glutamine, which is the most abundant amino acid in the body, and that amino acid has been shown to help intestinal cells heal in a very effective way. Category 2, intestinal permeability symptoms, often referred to as leaky gut. And finally, the last supplement is for high scores in category 1. These are symptoms related to large intestine, the colon, or should we say more specifically, a probiotic support for the large intestine. And that supplement is called Chlorophyll 100. I see a good probiotic the same way I see a good multivitamin. It's just a good all-around supplement to take. And for added constipation symptoms, we have an excellent source of magnesium, a magnesium citrate powder. Now remember, all of these supplements are found under the product tab under the heading Digestion. Now, as always, the metabolic assessment form is to be retaken every 30 days. This reassessment and recalculation will help you quantify your results. It's a good indication that your body's coming back into balance. Personalize and customize your supplementation and get your digestion back in alignment. And now for the 10-second disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only. None of the information presented is meant to treat, cure, prevent, or diagnose anything whatsoever. And as always, thanks for listening.